Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the part. This is critical because liquid chrome bonds to a perfectly clean, primed surface. First, degrease and wipe with alcohol until no residue remains. Make sure to remove fingerprints. Next, mask areas you do not want to coat and set up ventilation. Finally, mix or warm the liquid chrome per instructions. This improves flow. Once done, test the spray on a hidden scrap to confirm atomization and coverage before moving to the real piece. You must lay down the correct foundation because the chrome effect depends on the base. Start with a high build primer and level it by sanding at 400 to 600 grit. This creates a uniform surface. Once smooth, spray a glossy black base in 2 thin coats, allowing 10 to 15 minutes flash between passes so it wets out evenly. Make sure to hold 6 to 8 inches away and overlap each pass by about 50%. This prevents streaks and ensures the liquid chrome reflects properly. You now apply the liquid chrome itself. Work quickly but precisely because it levels as it dries. Spray in light, even passes, 3 to 5 thin layers rather than one heavy coat to build uniform reflectivity. Avoid overwetting which causes runs. After 30 to 60 minutes of cure, protect the finish with a thin, compatible clear coat. This preserves shine without dulling. If you see micro bubbles or orange peel, reduce nozzle pressure and increase flash time. Slow drying prevents entrapped solvent from causing defects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.